We have gowns in here, we have goggles in here, masks are over here.
Packed in these boxes, 30,000 surgical masks, 50,000 pairs of gloves, and thousands of goggles and gowns, all coming from China.
It arrived quickly, and the need is right now. So it's going to make a real difference.
The donation comes from the Bank of China through an Ontario-based nonprofit medical group which works closely with health workers in China.
There's more boxes of gowns.
At the beginning of the month, the Bethune Medical Development Association of Canada made a similar donation to hospitals in Wuhan. Now the favors returned.
It's extremely helpful, but it still is a Band-Aid solution. And really the key thing here is figuring out the supply chain, not just for the next week to month, but also for the foreseeable future.
Today, the Prime Minister said donations from China must meet Canadian standards and that the world should be working together.
It is a global pandemic, and countries need to set aside their differences.
Over the next 2 days, the supplies will be delivered to at least 5 hospitals. The association says they'll be distributed as equally as possible based on what's needed the most and where.
We can't wait in terms of times to protect the frontline workers in healthcare.
The Medical Association here says more deliveries like this one are expected next week from China, including 30,095 masks. Angelina King, CBC News, Markham, Ontario.